Dumating na ang foldable ni Xiaomi na may first ever collaboration with Leica. And this is the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4. Sobrang powerful na itong phone nito. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside, 50MP na quad camera lens with Leica, 5,100 mAh na battery with 67 watts of fast charging support. And best of all, maganda ganyang screen inside and outside. Plus, this is by far the thinnest foldable ever in the market right now, dethroning Magic V2 ni Honor. And probably hindi rin kaya tapatan ni Z Fold 6. Interested ka na? Don't go away after this quick intro. Now guys, itong 12256 ni Xiaomi MIX Fold 4 is available for 84,000 pesos and currently it's available sa Shandy Masangkay, which I'll be posting on the link on the description box below. Now by far itong phone na ito, feel ko personally it's better than the Samsung Z Fold 6. Ang kanyang camera is better and I would say na yung experience is quite better kasi nahawakan ko rin naman si Z Fold 6 sa mga Samsung na experience center, but it has yet to level up dito sa kanya. One of the nice thing dito sa kanya is medyo may pagkagamo sa feel dito sa likod. And plus matte finish din siya, so walang fingerprints mangyayari. And I like yung kanyang camera module dito. Wala ka makita nakaumbok dito, no? Lahat flat lang siya. Plus nandyan ang kanyang Leica branding. Probably one thing na ma-amaze ka dito is how the heck ginawa ni Xiaomi ito na sobrang nipis, and pag in-unfold mo siya, this is only just 4.6mm thick. Pag once na finold mo siya, this is just a 9.5mm thick. It's even thinner than aking Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Now ang kanyang harap is Xiaomi Longjing glass protected. Ang kanyang frames is aluminum side frames. Ang kanyang likod is glass, and ang loob niya is a plastic na foldable OLED display. This one also has a IPX8 na water resistant, which can survive a 1.5 meter for 30 minutes.
Now, a couple of months back, si Honor is bragging that they have the thinnest ever na foldable. But I think this time around, hindi na si Honor V2 ang pinaka-thinnest na foldable. So right now, I'm folding this one. This one is the Honor Magic V2, and this one is the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4. Now, if you take a look side by side, hindi mo siya masyado mapapansin dito ang kanyang thickness. But once you fold it, both of them, doon mo makikita ang layo, guys, no? I was really blown away by yung thickness niya dito. And to my surprise, wow, ang laki ng improvement. Lalo pag pinanipis ni Xiaomi dito. Dito kay Honor, medyo nabilib na ako sa kanya kasi sobrang nipis na. I was wondering how they were able to pack in yung kanyang Type-C port, no? But dito si Xiaomi, kita nyo, medyo chinamper in pa niya just to be able to fit in yung Type-C port dito, which I think it's definitely a hard task to accomplish. Except siguro yung kanyang camera bump is a lot thicker, so lumalabas halos kasing kapal lang ni Honor Magic V2 si Xiaomi MIX Fold 4 pag dito sa kanyang camera bump magkasama.
Now, ito si MIX Fold 4 has currently the most powerful processor na meron ni Qualcomm 8 Gen 3. And nung sinalang ko siya sa Antutu benchmark, binigyan ako ng 2.05 million points. And ito ang kanyang breakdown score. Now, pagdating sa Wildlife Extreme, 4,700 kanyang loop score, pero medyo mababa ang kanyang stability at 44%. Ito ang score na kuha natin sa Geekbench para sa kanyang CPU benchmarking. And ito naman kanyang GPU benchmarking. Quite decent naman kanyang thermals, and it throttled to 84% ang kanyang max performance. Now, one thing to love about the foldable Xiaomi is malaki kanyang battery. 5,100 mAh of battery, supporting 67 watts of fast charging, and it also supports a 50 watts na wireless charging as well. Now, another surprise na binigay sa akin dito is sobrang kunat ang kanyang battery. 21 hours and 7 minutes na binigay sa akin dito. This is by far using the outside screen na kasi most of the time mas gagamit yung outside screen than using the inside screen. Siguro pag medyo relax mode ka or research mode ka, you'll be using the inside screen. But I believe that most of the time you'll be using the outside screen. And this one is set under 50% brightness and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. Ang taas ng ganang screen on time. For me, pretty goods. Now, from the outside, this phone has a LTPO na AMOLED display. Meron siyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate, supporting Dolby Vision, and kanyang max brightness is 3000 nits. It has a 6.56-inch na size, by the way. Now, once na binuksan mo siya, it has a 7.98 na foldable LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and the same 3000 nits sa kanyang max display. Now, if you're scrolling on social, both sa inside and outside, expect mo really a good experience. Now, probably one thing na magusto mo dito sa kanya when you're scrolling on TikTok, mas zoom in ang view mo dito sa kanya, which gives you a larger, bigger experience when you're browsing on TikTok, checking your FYP or browsing your favorite content creator. I think maganda ang kanyang inside na display. And by the way, this one has a level 1 na wideband security level, so you can watch HD on this phone. And watching both videos on inside and outside, maganda ang kanyang display. And honestly, I would highly suggest that you enjoy your video on YouTube dito from the inside display. Dahil mas bigger ang view mo, mas maganda experience, and definitely you love it more pag naka-unfolded watching your favorite videos. Now, since itong phone na ito is being powered by Dolby Atmos and meron siyang high-res audio dito sa kanilang loudspeaker sa taas at sa baba. Check lang natin. Now, honestly, just average ang kanyang sound. Hindi siya sobrang lakas and hindi rin siya mahina. It's just average and you definitely enjoy all of your favorite songs dito sa Spotify, and if you're playing games, mag-enjoy ka rin dito. Now, speaking of playing games, naglaro tayo ng tatlong title dito. I play Call of Duty Mobile, Firelight 84, and Genshin Impact. Now, all of these games nilaro ko naman on the inside screen. I was able to enjoy some really good experience dito sa kanya. And playing Call of Duty Mobile dito, expect mo talaga na very optimized naman si Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 sa Call of Duty Mobile. So, when you play this game, wala ka na magiging problema sa kanya. Guaranteed. And the controls are good. And probably, if you want a bigger screen, use the inside screen. But if you want yung medyo mas conventional way of playing, you can always use the outside screen. Walang problema yon. Controls are good, the sounds is good, and overall experience is definitely okay. Now, if you're playing Firelight 84 dito, I did play both from the inside and from the outside. Both are really good. Kaya mo iset sa max settings dito. And after playing Call of Duty Mobile for roughly mga 30 minutes, medyo mainit siya at 44 degrees Celsius. Now, pagdating naman sa Firelight 84, you'll enjoy this game. Definitely okay siya. I would say na nilaro ko naman ang game both sa inside screen and sa outside screen. Both are really give me a good experience. And one thing na napansin ko sa kanya is pag nag-zoom ako using sniper, hindi siya naglalag. There are other phones na kahit flagship level, medyo naglalag siya, hindi ganun ka-optimized. But dito, wala akong naging problema sa kanya. You definitely love to use the inside screen para medyo mas maganda ang view mo. Mas maganda pag nag-sniper ka. And even though kayo maglaro ka sa labas, okay, parang normal phone lang naman siya. And medyo mainit din siya at around mga 44 to 45 degrees Celsius on this game. If you're playing Genshin Impact, expect mo a really nice, good experience din dito sa kanya. Halos wala naman na feel na frame drop. And throughout the game, stable siya. Kaya medyo marami kang heavy na kalaban na nilalabanan, you wouldn't really feel any frame drops dito sa kanya. If ever man, very minimal. And uminit siya up to 48 degrees Celsius. Now, after playing games, napansin ko sa kanya na very smooth ang display niya. To the point na hindi ko halos napapansin yung crease niya dito sa kanya, which is definitely one of the good point dito sa Xiaomi MIX Fold 4. Now, right now, pag-usapan natin yung kanyang Leica camera dito. This phone has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and a 50MP na telephoto lens up to 2 times optical zoom. Meron din siyang 10MP na periscope telephoto lens giving you up to 5 times the optical zoom, plus meron din siya 12MP na ultra-wide lens. This one can shoot you up to 8K and 24fps, and ang kanyang front-facing camera both from the inside and the outside is a 16MP which can shoot you up to 1080 and 60.
Now, probably this is the first time na merong Leica sa isang foldable ni Xiaomi, and we're going to tackle yung mga shots na nakuha natin dito on this phone. Now, we'll be starting with some of the outdoor shots na nakuha natin dito. To my surprise, some of these shots na nakuha natin are really nice. Hindi siya sobrang saturated, and you'll see all of the details once kinuha mo siya. Ang ganda ng mga details na nakaka-capture dito sa harap. Lalo mga water droplets was really good, and just a simple shot like this one, ang ganda lang ng focus sa subject, and yung kanyang background blur is also pretty good. Now, if you're the type of person na mahilig sa animal photography, this one will definitely get you some really nice shots. Except medyo malikot lang tong pusa, kaya medyo nahirapan lang kumuha ng some really good shots. And honestly, to my surprise, itong collaboration with Leica was able to give me some really nice and vibrant shot. And this shot is just a very simple shot, but makita mo yung details na na-capture na dito. I really love this shot. And kung mahilig ka naman sa food shot on outdoors, mga isaw, you'd really get in some really nice and decent shot sa mga food shot na makuha mo on outdoor conditions. condition. Now, kung mahilig ka naman sa nature shot, basta outdoor, magandang ilaw, I'm pretty sure that you'll really get some nice shot. Makita mo yung cloud details dito, is really nice. Except that yung mga puno dito medyo nag-soften na kunti ang kanilang leaves. You're taking some tall building shot, you'll really get some nice details as well. Now, right now, I'm playing with the different lenses dito, and this is a ultra-wide shot. This is a normal shot, 2x zoom, 4x zoom, and a 5x zoom. Now, makita natin after 5x zooming this one, okay pretty snappy pa rin ang mga photos na dito. And this one can zoom up to 50 times, by the way. And probably the only thing na medyo mag-iiba dito is yung ganyang ultra-wide lens and yung ganyang normal lens. Iba ang ganyang color reproduction. Kita natin medyo darker greens dito, and yung bluish sky is a little bit darker. Pagdating dito sa normal lens, it's a little bit lighter. Now, if you're bringing this phone on indoor condition, makita mo some of the shoe shot na nakuha natin, and you'll see some really nice details once zinumin mo ka ng fabric. And pag kumuha ka naman ng mga food shot dito, expect some really nice shot. And honestly, maganda tong shot na ito. No? It represent yung different colors dito sa kanyang sprinkles dito sa kanyang cone is well represented. Is well reproduced, and I definitely love this shot. And some of these other food shot na nakuha natin are pretty nice and decent. And kita natin, it's just simple, pero parang ang sarap tingnan. Kung mahilig ka naman kumuha ng mga flower shots on indoors, expect some really nice shot as well. And kung kumuha ka ng gown shot dito, it looks kind of good. Now, nung bandang hapon na pumasok tayo sa Santo Domingo Church, I was able to get, this is a normal shot by the way, and this is a 2x zoom shot. Makita natin, no, yung ganda ng pag-reproduce ng color dito sa mga glasses niya. It's really, really nice and really, really captivating. So, alam natin na this one can definitely perform on low light. Now, if you're trying to take some photos using the selfie camera on the outside, expect some really nice shot, okay shot, decent, and probably one thing na napansin ko, medyo namumuti ang aking mukha. I'm not quite sure why. But on some other occasion, okay naman siya, like this one. Taking more outdoor shot, looks quite nice and decent. And trying the cameras on indoors, I was able to take in some nice shot as well. And by the way, itong dalawang shot na ito was taken using the inside na front-facing camera, and it looks kind of good too.
So guys, I'm right now holding the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4, and this is the camera performance when you're using the camera on the outside. And by far, it's good. And
now, tinan mo natin kind of video performance using the selfie camera. Okay siya, quite stable, and I was surprised na okay ang kanyang front-facing camera. Even though this is a foldable, Xiaomi did put in some effort this kind of front-facing camera. Now, if you try to use some kind of rear camera, you'll be able to see some really nice video din as well. Magandang pagka-reproduce ka ng mga colors dito. I was really good. And alam naman natin, this one is collaborated with Leica, so I don't expect anything less.
now, since na-test na natin ang kanyang selfie camera from the outside, test lang natin right now here in my studio using the inside camera. Probably you might be using this sa mga video chat and mga video conferencing. So, pakita lang natin one quick sample. So, guys, right now, I'm recording using the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4 and recording at 1080p and 60 FPS. This is the quality you'll be getting. And right now, I'm also recording using the default microphone. So, medyo hindi lang siya nakasenter sa gitna. And pansin ko, nasa upper left corner siya ng aking phone. So, medyo nakatingin lang sa screen. So, medyo off lang pag may kausap ka. But, overall, the quality looks pretty decent. What do you think? I think the quality is not bad. Except na medyo hirap lang tumingin dito sa upper left corner para sa kanyang camera module. Yun lang siguro ang downside lang sa kanya. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa foldable ni Xiaomi? This is by far the thinnest foldable na nahawakan ko. And I would really say na it blew my mind away. Ang sarap niya hawakan, ang nipis niya, and the way I feel dito sa phone nito is definitely good. Yung kanyang camera is really good and comparable din halos sa Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Except na siguro mas maganda mga dynamic shots kundi dito sa Xiaomi 14 Ultra ko. But this one can definitely capture some really nice photos. Now, I would definitely recommend you dito sa phone nito over sa Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Yung phone na yun cost you around mga 105,000 pesos. This one is around 84,000 pesos. I think the price difference and experience-wise, ang feeling ko mas masarap hawakan to sa kamay. It is sturdier, it is slimmer, it has probably a better camera than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and definitely outside screen looks more of a normal smartphone than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 na mukhang pencil case. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to know kung saan ko nabili to, I bought this from Shandy Masangkay. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.